jumping around. Oh,
What's up? We're doing an ammo company video, arena mode. I don't know.
We won.
There's two of us on the red team, and you guys have the win. Alright, let's go. You guys are 4. Nice. Look what I have. Look at what I have. What the flip? Hey, what's These are. I got arena guns out of arena mode.
Yo, how did you get them from arena?
Can you help me try to get them out of arena mode? Because that's what I'm trying.
How did you get them in arena mode?
So much fun, bro. No, I'm trying to get them out of arena.
Yeah, how did you get them in it?
Get beans.
How did you get them in arena mode? What?
We're off the map. We're still off the map.
I'm on their team and I can't grab a gun. What the heck?
Come on, already. No.
Like, how is that possible?
Yo, this is fun.
So what, man?
Headshot. Headshot.
Oh, wait. Go back to lobby.
I'm shooting you.
Oh, let's go, my guy.
Easy.
I know fun.
Sorry.
moving 3 players at a time.
Who's
There's got to be 4 players for real, boy.
Boy, I dare you to come onto my.
Need to take you base, buddy, here.
headshot?
There's a person on in our place somewhere.
Headshot.
Yo, wait, what is this?
Give me all y'all.
Everybody's this one.
What the fuck?
Oh my God. Boy, you. No, do not die. Do not die.
Team.
You guys are all ding to join.
Fuck.
Cause you bad, you bad.
Yo, I'm.
Ah, heck nah!
And like, when I started to get fucking stuff. We try. Oh, no, I'm no hurry. 1 minute left. I got 7 kills.
Hey,
I already started the game.
bro.
You want to do that, Blue? You want to do that, Teal Blue? How am I bad?
So bad.
I started when there was 1 minute left. And I killed all you. You stink. You're so bad.
So bad. You're so bad.
No, you're bad.
You're so bad. Boy, you're so bad.
You're dog
Boy, you're so good. Boy, you're so bad.
Hey, come here,
Look at this little Timmy. Boy, you're so bad. Squash. Boy, you're so bad.
Okay, guys, there's flying chipmunks everywhere. They're gonna be flying somewhere.
Oh no, bro. Bro, that cheated you, Andy.
Boy, you're so bad. Boy, you're so bad. You say I'm bad? Ah, brother. How the freak did I get here? Oh, you're so bad. Yowie, not yowie.
I just keep vinegar.
What the?
Get away from me. Quiet about it. Bad. Oh, I'm bad. Revive me! What are they called? Research points. Six, seven. Oh, okay, got three. I got three of them. 6, 7. Oh, you're so bad.
I got him. Give me home.
Ooh, a pistol.
I love you.